Service has issued Tornado Watch number 34, effective until midnight Friday. This watch includes the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln, and Warren. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen to later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, Tornado Watch number 34 has been issued from 4:55 p.m. until midnight Friday for the following counties in Missouri: Franklin, Lincoln,